We were gonna work today. Where's the camera? There it is. Hi. We were gonna work today, but it rained last night really bad. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, 2 or 3 inches. We were gonna put the rest of the siding, the little bit that I have left, up, and the trim boards, and then put the insulation, the rigid insulation up, and fix that. I don't know if I can work this thing right. Just that spot right there. There we go. To that corner there, but didn't happen. It rained. It rained. It's just now decent enough. So I got a different project. I gotta turn these 3 boards into something. I might just use 2. I don't know yet. Haven't decided yet. But something for a men's retreat next weekend. So the cross is done. Next week we are I have my mini retreat, so I won't be here to work on this even if it's nice. What I like to do is take the rest of the siding I have and go up as far as I can. I like to put the sheathing there, and I like to come across, and after we wrap it all with the insulation and get that all taken care of. And then on the door up there, I'd like to put the trim. Woo, there we go. Put the trim around the door and around the window and do the water sealing, finish the water sealing. But that's gonna have to be 2 weeks from now. Tomorrow's Mother's Day, so probably won't work on it tomorrow. And again, next weekend is the mini retreat, so I won't be here. So in 3 weeks, Memorial Day weekend. Finally get working on that again.